Answer me blind. Don't be timid when you I don't know where my keys are. Many reasons why I do not give out my number, my phone number, and people be asking me all the time on social media sites and everything. One, I just got this number. Like, I don't want anybody else to have my number. My ex has my number now, which she should not, and I don't like that. Two, is because I don't like talking on the phone. Like, if I don't even pick up the phone when my family calls, what makes you think I'm gonna pick up the phone for you when you call, when you don't pay no bills, you ain't stretching this pussy out, you ain't doing nothing for me, boo-boo. We're not dating, we're nothing. Three, if we're contacting each other on a social media site already, why should I give you my number? That's pointless. If you can't hit me up on a social media site, you don't need my number. Point blank, period. You just gonna be blowing up my phone. Four, I don't like when bitches blow up my phone. Like, like, come on now. You think you can just call my number voluntarily? Just call my number. What makes you think you have the right to do that? You don't have the right to do that. Do not call my phone unless you text me and ask me first if it's okay to call my phone. In fact, don't even call my phone. Let me call you. Text me and be like, I want to talk to you. You can call me. That's simple. And I'll be like, no, I don't want to call you because I don't want to talk on the phone. I hate that. Bitches be blowing on my phone. Don't do that. Like, who does that? Don't do that. You call somebody, you text them first. Don't video call me just because I'm not texting or responding back. Like, I'm definitely not about to respond back now. Like, come on now. If I literally told you that I don't like talking on the phone, I don't like doing this, like, come on. Oh, man, I tell you. I just cannot stand. I'm at this age now where little things irritate the freak out of me. If that little thing that you do I don't like, I'm gonna just leave you alone completely. Like, I ain't got time for that. I ain't got time for the games. I ain't got time. Like, I'm at the point now where I don't even want to tell you what you're doing to irritate me. It's just like, you should know. Like, if I tell you to, hey, go look up Virgo, and you don't do it, if you don't take the time to do that, what makes you think that I'm gonna take the time to teach you what irritates me? Like, I'm not at all, because there's a whole blueprint. There's a whole blueprint about that. Like, there's already a manual on me. Like, this is what's gonna piss her off. This is what she like. This is what she don't like. So, if I already gave you the blueprint where you can find it, why wouldn't you take it upon yourself to go and look? Like, I already told you. Like, I already gave you a hint. Like, that's a huge hint to be in my life. Literally, just do that and not do the things I don't like. It's pretty simple. I guess. Fine. I love that video of AFE and that little boy. And his mom's like, can I walk you into preschool today? He's like, no, I don't need that. She's like, please. Fine, I guess. He's so cute. There's a blueprint to Shawnee. That's what we learned today, class. You need to go look at it. And also, don't call me. Don't freaking call my phone. Don't hit me up on those social media sites where you have to video chat me. Don't do that. Text me and ask me if I want to call you or talk on the phone or see your face or give you the privilege to see my face. Bless you with my presence. You feel me? It's crazy because I'm not that type of person, but people have made me to that type of person. I'm just like, bruh, why do I have to be like this now? Like, this is what y'all made me. Like, I'm a nice person. Like, I like people. I used to. But people are just so mean and crazy, you know? Like, that person on my Doordash day, apparently I put her food at the wrong place. My thing is, if I order Doordash, I adjust my pin. Anytime I order Doordash, I adjust my pin to be exactly where they need to be, because I know it's start time, and you know, a lot of apartments don't have numbers on their apartments, or they're in places that you don't even think to look, or they're super tiny, or just, you know, like I said before, non-existing. So I went to the pin. I dropped it off at the letter she said to drop it off. I didn't see no numbers on the building. So I was just like, okay, I'm going to just go to the pen. I dropped it off. and I had another order to take, and she's just blowing up my phone, texting me, and of course I can't respond back because I'm taking another order. I'm driving, But I finally sat down. I read the text. She's like cussing me out, like, oh, well, at first she started like, oh, you put it at the wrong porch. I think you did. I was just like, okay, cool, whatever. And then she was like, hello. And basically it goes on, and then the last message is just like, yo broke ass didn't have to steal this, you broke ass bitch, this is that. I'm just like, first of all, why are you calling me out my name? Like, come on now. Come on. Like, why you do that to anybody? Like, why be that I understand that you didn't get your order, but your first thought is to cuss me out? Like, dude, it's DoorDash. Literally, you can literally call DoorDash or contact DoorDash and they'll pay for it all. You get your money back and you get more food. So what's the problem here? Why do you feel like you have to cuss me out for that? For your mistake, because you didn't put the P where it was supposed to be. Your apartment's mistake because they didn't put numbers on your apartment. Like, come on now. People are they're just dumb for no reason. I was just like, you know what? First of all, I don't appreciate you calling me out my name. Second of all, I didn't steal your nasty ass McDonald's. Third of all, contact DoorDash. Really, I just did you a favor. Honestly, you just got a free meal. Like, come on now. But I did deliver stuff. I don't steal nobody's. Like, first of all, why would I steal nasty ass McDonald's? If I'm gonna steal something, it better be Red Lobster or some quality ass food, not no McDonald's. Why would I steal your fucking Happy Meal, bitch? I don't want your Happy Meal, bitch. I'm already happy, bitch, because I'm paid, boo. And third of all, I made way too much today to steal food. I made way too much in 1 minute to steal food, to steal anything. I'm not a stealer. Like, no. I make way too much money to be stealing something from anybody. Come on now. Come on. Do me better. I was just like, bitch, if you would get off my phone, have a blessed day. Because these people don't realize I have your name, your address, and your phone number. Bitch, really? Come on. Like, I have to keep my calm when I DoorDash because bitches be taking me there. Always talking about I'm stealing something. Bitch, ain't nobody stealing nothing. First of all, what you need to do is start tipping. And then you'll get your food on time, quality right there at your door. I'll even knock on your door. But if you don't tip, then I'm going to just deliver it to the place you said deliver it. If I text you and call you, like, you got to understand, I DoorDash for like 3-4 hours a day. I'm tired of always having to text and call somebody. I do that all during that 3 hours. I'm not doing that. Unless you tip. If you tip, I'll call you and try to find your ass. But if you don't tip, I'm not about to search for your ass. I'm going to deliver it to this address that you put in this daggone app. I'm going to put it right at that pin if your house don't have a number. Point blank period. It's that simple. If you want some effort in it, tip me. My shift is almost over, 11:30. However, I've made my goal for today, so I am headed home. I only needed $3 for my last delivery, and that last delivery was like $10. So I made over my goal for tonight, and I'm about to go home because I have a goal. I make it, and I gotta go because DoorDash is stressful. There's no reason to be stressful. It is so stressful. Gotta wait for orders to be ready. Gotta deal with customers. Gotta deal with finding the place, especially if it's an apartment that doesn't have numbers. So yeah, it's time to go home. I'm about to work out this stress, then eat, and do my hair probably. Need to change it up. Hey. Thank you guys for tuning in and driving with me. Hit that subscribe button to finish off this week with me strongly. Today is hump day. Get it in. Go hump somebody. Alright?